This 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 322 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, oven, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, TV, auxiliary battery, water heater, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 322 RLS is 9,485 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.